guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on some Malaysian curly hair that's from Tinashe Hair. I received a 16-inch closure in 3 bundles of 18 inches. So right now I'm showing you the wig before I begin to go into my application process, and this is just a hot glue gun wig that I made, and that's how the closure is looking. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I make this unit work, keep watching. Wrap up this video by giving you guys my initial first impressions and kind of like running a little bit of details down that you guys may want to know. So once again, this hair is from Tinashe Hair. It's their Malaysian curly texture. I received 3 bundles of 18 inches and a 16-inch closure. So the first thing I wanted to mention is that I constructed this wig using the hot glue gun method, and it only took me 2 bundles and 1 strip about this long of the 3rd bundle to construct this wig. So that means if you guys are on a budget, or if you just don't like really full hair, you can get away with 2 bundles in a closure or 2 bundles in a frontal. You know, that's everything, and the hair is already affordable, so I'm definitely all the way here for the way I constructed this wig and the amount of hair that it took to construct it. You do get a lot of hair on each bundle, and I only would say I recommend you achieving this look if you get lengths 18 inches and shorter, because the longer your hair is, then the shorter the bundle will be. So if you get 18 inches and shorter, you can definitely get away with 2 bundles in a closure or a frontal. So that's the first thing I wanted to mention. And this is how the hair is looking, like all to the front. You can fluff it out. It's a little bit more, it's like mine is like a little fluffy, but at the same time tamed. And I love the fullness. It's perfect for me. Now, I could have put all 3 if I really wanted to, but this is going to be my daughter's wig, and I'll try to insert some clips of how it looks on her. But yes, you guys, I'm very excited about the amount of bundles it took me to construct this wig. So working with this wig and working with this hair, I noticed that at first it did shed some, but I'm going to contribute that to me cutting the wefts. So when you see me styling this hair in the beginning of the video, you notice that I showed you the brush and it hardly had any strands of hair. So far so good in the shedding department. I don't feel like this hair is going to mat up really quick. This is like my 2nd or 3rd time working with Tinashe hair. From my personal experience, their curly hair is everything. I definitely recommend it. It doesn't like mat up or anything. And you guys, like, you know, like sometimes I sleep in my wigs, and if I sleep in curly hair and it doesn't mat up, I automatically know it's a winner, because a lot of people don't wear wigs. Some people still wear sew-ins and everything. So this will be good for someone who likes to get sew-ins, or if they like to adhere their wig down. And that conditioner that I used on my hair made this hair smell amazing as well. I would say this hair is more on the kinky side. Looking at the ends, if you have natural hair that mimics this, oh my gosh, sis, definitely make a half wig with this. Yeah, if I had to say how long I think this hair would last, if you wear it every single day, back to back, I would say at least 6 months of wear. And that's really good for the price. I'll link everything down below that you will want to know, like the direct site to Tinashe hair, direct links to the exact hair that I'm wearing, and I'll just go ahead and throw in like some like wigs, links to wigs as well, just in case you want to have a wig already custom made for you and you don't like making wigs or whatever. But let me know how you feel about this hair. You know, I think she's cute. I'm a little bit all over the place because I haven't filmed in a while, but yes. Oh yeah, special shout out and thank you to everyone who's been reaching out to me and praying for my family. I appreciate it so much. Yes, stay tuned. I'm not going anywhere. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you feel about this hair. Thumbs up this video and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.